good flavor, but the texture is kind of like runny or slimy almost.
That's how we do it on night shift. Got to cook dinner on the fly, man. Got the George Foreman hooked up to the inverter. Got us some good old cooking spray and the essentials. Now let's see what we got to cook up here in the cooler. Some yellowfin tuna steaks. Hey, that's gonna be a great dinner. I hope y'all know this, but this Klein knife right here also seconds as a fillet knife. Now, electricians are the jack of all trades. Man, can't beat that. It's delicious. All right, almost everybody's fed besides the guy there in the bucket. He doesn't like fish, but we're gonna get him to try it. Man hates fish.
Yeah,
so let's see how he likes tuna.
And he expects me to eat it with a fucking spoon. You see that?
It's the best we got out here. You really don't like it?
Yeah.
Man,
like it's got good flavor, but the texture is kind of like runny or slimy almost.
More for me.
Yeah, definitely.
well, there you go.
More for me.
Give it on over then. He'll enjoy it.
Oh, yes.
Let's try this out.
Oh, no.
He don't know what he's talking about.